Hello users, welcome back to our channel. So today we will discuss Linux security. So within last 10 years, the Linux operating system is well received by the end users, and it is slowly getting acceptance, worldwide acceptance. And as more and more end users accept the system and start using it for their daily needs, what is happening, more and more viruses and other malwares are coming out to attack the Linux systems. So is there any solution for the end users to stop the malware and viruses if affecting their systems? Yes, there is a solution. It is called ClamAV antivirus. So today we will look after that ClamAV antivirus, how to use it, how to install it on your system, and make your system secure. So in a Debian KDE desktop, you open the Discover software manager, search for ClamAV. So you will get two results. First is the ClamTK, that is the easy to use graphical user interface for Clam antivirus, ClamAV. And second is ClamAV, that is the antivirus program for command line interface. So if you want only command line interface, you are comfortable with command line interface, use only ClamAV. If you are a person liking the GUI, you can use ClamTK. So I have installed both. Just go search in the install applications Clam, click on ClamTK. It will take some time to open. Yes, so it is a very simple GUI. First is configuration settings. So you can select scan for PU, that is a potentially unwanted applications. Use heuristic scanning. Scan files beginning with a dot. Scan files larger than 20 MB. Scan files recursively. So as per your needs, if you want to be ultra safe, you go for a scan for PUS. That is the heuristic scanning. That is a artificial intelligence based scanning of the files. Scan files beginning with a dot. So the dot will precede the name of the file. Scan files larger than 20 MB. So to scan bigger files, it takes the scan takes a very long time. So if you are okay with the long scan times, you can use this option. And scan diaries recursively. So it will scan the directories. It will go start from the top node and go to the end nodes recursively. Okay. Now the whitelist, you can add the whitelist, any directory you don't want to be scanned, you can add it here in the whitelist. You can also remove a whitelist entry later on. This is the network, so you can add your proxy settings, network environments, IP address. You can set your IP address manually also. This is the history. So I have done one scan on Jan 12. Okay, so you can view those. So this is what I have done. I had put the PUMs, potentially unwanted applications. So some of my files, LibreOffice template files are also been marked as a virus by the software. Back. This is the quarantine area. Right now there is no virus in quarantine. Now the main part, that is the update. So what happening is ClamTK has some bugs. So I had myself filed one bug report with the OpenSUSE. I think they are still working on it. The antivirus does not update itself properly, and in sometimes command line also there is an issue of the updation, plus the GUI also doesn't work when you try to schedule the automatic scans. So for here in Debian KDE, everything is working perfectly. So if you want to check for updates manually, you can check it from here. I will check. It will take few minutes. Okay. For some reason it is not showing the installation version of the antivirus dat file right now, but normally it shows the file number here and the date of the update. Right now for some reason it is not showing. This is the update. This is the update update manager. Sorry, update assistant. So I would like to update the signatures myself. It is by default. I am using a Flatpak. ClamTK Flatpak right now. Okay. So you can scan the individual files from here. You can scan a directory from here and the analysis. You can analyze any file or any file's reputation from here. Now it is visible. So antivirus signature is 26435, dated 27/1/22. That's it. That is what I wanted to show, that it updates automatically. So it is the latest today's antivirus dat file. Thank you very much. Do use this ClamTK antivirus. It is very good. It is very good in performance. It will definitely secure your system. I use this ClamAV antivirus in firewalls at the data center I am looking after. So it is running since last 6 years in the data center, and it is very good protection features. Thank you very much. See you. Please do subscribe to our channel. Please do give us likes, give us feedbacks, so we feel motivated and continue to make videos for you.